Number 1. 1989 Jeep Comanche pickup, $4,750, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1989 Jeep Comanche is a rust-free, increasingly collectible compact pickup with unibody construction and limited production. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it remains largely original, including the factory bedliner. The engine starts but will not idle, though it does not smoke, and the drivetrain, brakes, steering, and suspension are reported in good condition. With new tires and a straight body, it is a strong candidate for light mechanical work or preservation. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is an entry-level classic full-size pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, both reportedly replaced with approximately 86,000 miles of use. As a second-owner truck with service records and a clean title, it offers solid value despite fair cosmetics. It is well suited as a dependable driver or mild restoration base. Number 3. 1988 Dodge Ram 4x4 Short Bed Project, $2,500, San Jacinto, California. This 1988 Dodge Ram 4-wheel drive short bed is offered as a non-running project. It features a V8 engine and automatic transmission with good reported body condition. With a lean title and unknown mechanical status, it is best suited for an experienced buyer planning a restoration or off-road build. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet C10 1500 full-size pickup, $20,000, Sycamore, Illinois. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 is a fully restored example from a highly desirable model year. Finished in blue and powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission, it presents in excellent condition and carries a clean title. Restored early 70s C10s remain strong performers in the classic truck market. Number 5. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $17,500, Huntington Beach, California. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed is powered by a small block V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Extensive mechanical upgrades include fuel system, exhaust, cooling, brakes, and suspension improvements. While rust is present in several body areas, it runs strong and features power steering and power brakes, making it ideal for a mechanically focused enthusiast. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $16,000, Georgetown, Texas. This 1984 Chevrolet C10 Silverado short bed is a well-preserved, largely original truck with 109,000 original miles, powered by a 5.0-liter V8 and automatic transmission. It is fully equipped with power accessories and factory air conditioning. Garage kept and well-maintained, it represents an excellent collector-grade example of an unmodified 1980s pickup. Number 7. 1989 Ford F250 four-wheel drive, $5,000, Pedee, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F250 features the 7.5-liter big block V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for durability and towing strength, it has a very clean interior and recent maintenance including steering column work, brake service, and an oil change. With a clean title, it offers strong utility and classic Ford appeal. Number 8. 1980 Chevrolet Scottsdale, $7,500, St. John's, Oregon. This 1980 Chevrolet Scottsdale is a highly original truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well, retains a straight body, and remains unmodified. Clean, original examples like this are increasingly hard to find, making it attractive to collectors and purists. Number 9. 1960 Ford F100 inline 6, $6,500, Kuna, Idaho. This 1960 Ford F100 features a factory 4-speed manual transmission and inline 6 engine. It runs and drives reliably and shows minimal rust with a very clean undercarriage. Prior bodywork, paint, and interior restoration provide strong presentation, though light cosmetic aging and minor tuning remain. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet S Pickup Project, $500, Anacortes, Washington. This 1998 Chevrolet S Pickup is a low-cost project or parts truck that runs but needs multiple repairs, including door hardware, interior electronics, and parking brake service. With a clean title and long-term local use history, it offers practical value at a minimal entry price. Number 11. 1987 Chevrolet R20 Scottsdale Custom Deluxe, $7,900, Atherton, California. This 1987 Chevrolet R20 Custom Deluxe is a heavy-duty pickup with a rebuilt 5.7-liter V8 and rebuilt automatic transmission. Showing low mileage and rear-wheel drive, it offers strong performance and durability. The Scottsdale and Custom Deluxe trims enhance its classic appeal. Number 12. 1971 GMC Series 3500 dump truck, $39,500, Langley, British Columbia. This 1971 GMC Series 3500 dump truck is a rare and well-preserved commercial classic powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Features include power steering, power brakes, and a hydraulic 12-foot dump box with cover. With low mileage and fresh certification, it is ideal for collectors or specialty commercial use. Number 13. 1975 Chevrolet pickup, $7,000, Waldport, Oregon. This 1975 Chevrolet pickup has been upgraded with a balanced and blueprinted 355 small block engine for strong performance. Reported to be rust-free with a clean title, it requires paint. While the front-wheel drive listing detail may be in error, the truck clearly suits a street-oriented or sleeper-style build. Number 14. 1977 Ford F250 two-wheel drive, $6,500, Aurora, Colorado. This 1977 Ford F250 features a rebuilt 460 cubic inch V8 and rebuilt C6 automatic transmission. Suspension, brakes, fuel system, and drivetrain work have been completed, and cab corner repairs with extra parts are included. It stands as a mechanically refreshed classic work truck with long-term durability.